Determine the ratio in which the line y equals to x minus 2 divides the line formed by joining the points 3, -1 and 8, 9. Let us begin. So here we will consider 2 points. Let's say point A has the coordinates 3, -1, and we have another point B. B has the coordinates 8, 9. So let's join point A and point B with the help of a straight line. We also have another line whose equation is given to 1. Let's say this particular line passes through AB. This line has the equation y equals to x minus 2, and it passes through AB, intersecting it at a point E. Now E is going to divide AB in a certain ratio, which is, let's call it lambda is to 1. So our goal will be to determine in what ratio E divides AB. Okay, now first what we can do, we can find out the coordinates of point E. To find out the coordinates of point E, we'll need the equation of line segment AB, because E is nothing but the intersection of the line y equals to x minus 2 and the line formed by joining the points A and B. So let's try to find out the equation of, this will be the first talk, equation of the line AB. So here we will be using the 2-point form of a line. So the 2-point form of a line helps us to find out the equation of a line that passes through 2 points. So it's given by y minus y1 equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 whole multiplied to x minus x1. So here x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 are the 2 points through which the line passes, and the equation of the line is given by this 2-point form. So here in our case we have the 2 points. We have point A, the coordinates of point A and coordinates of point B given to us, so we can immediately obtain the equation of the line AB. So let us assume that A corresponds to x1 comma y1 and B corresponds to x2 comma y2, which means that the equation of the line AB will be given by y minus y1. So here y1 is the y coordinate of point A, so that's -1, equals to, now we need y2 minus y1, so that's 9 minus -1, divided by x2 minus x1, so that's going to be 8 minus 3. This will be multiplied to x minus x1. x1 is the x coordinate of point A. So we have y plus 1 equals to 9 minus -1, that's 10. 10 divided by 8 minus 3, so that's 5. Whole multiplied to x minus 3. We get y plus 1 equals to 2 times x minus 3. Further simplification is going to give us y plus 1 equals to 2x minus 6. Right. Or we can have y equals to 2x minus 7. So this is our first equation, or we can say this is the equation of the line formed by joining the 2 points A and B. Now we will try to find out the coordinates of point E. For that, let's begin by first solving this particular equation. Let's call it 2 and equation number 1. So we're going to equate equation number 1 and 2. So that's going to give us, we'll have x minus 2, that will be equals to 2x minus 7. So solving for the value of x, we get x equals to 5. So here we have the value of x. Now that we have the value of x, we can use either equation 2 or 1 to find out the value of y, which means that the value of y must be equals to, so 5 minus 2, so that's equals to 3. So now we have obtained the value of x and y, which means this is nothing but the coordinate of our point E. So coordinate of point E comes out to be 5, 3. So now we have the coordinate of point E. So let's redraw our diagram. So here we have the point A with coordinates 3, -1. B has the coordinates 8, 9. We have the point E. So E has the coordinates 5, 3. Now E is dividing A and B internally in the ratio lambda is to 1. Now what we can do here is use the internal section formula to obtain the value of lambda. So lambda will get multiplied to B and 1 will get multiplied to A. So that means the coordinate of point E, which you have defined as 5, 3. Now this can be also represented in terms of the internal section formulas. We'll start with the x coordinate. So to find out the x coordinate, lambda will get multiplied with the x coordinate of B. So that's 8 lambda. Added to 1 times the x coordinate of point A. So that's 3. Divided by the sum of the ratios. So that's lambda plus 1. And to find out the y coordinate, we'll take lambda and multiply with the y coordinate of point B. So that's 9 lambda, and then add it to 1 times the y coordinate of point A. So that's 1 times -1 gives us -1. divided by the sum of the ratios, so that's lambda plus 1. Since the two coordinate points are equal to each other, so we can equate the x coordinate. So 8 lambda plus 3 divided by lambda plus 1 equals to 5. And the y coordinate will be 9 lambda minus 1 divided by lambda plus 1 equals to 3. We can solve either of the two equations to find out the value of lambda. So let's do the first one. We have 8 lambda plus 3 equals to, we'll cross multiply 5 with lambda plus 1 to get 5 lambda plus 5. So that gives us 3 lambda equals to 2, or lambda comes out to be 2/3, which means that the ratio lambda to that of 1 will be simply 2:3, meaning we have obtained the ratio. So we can say that the line y equals to x minus 2 divides the line formed by joining point A and point B in the ratio 2:3.